Hey my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing great. So Zayn and Maiza has launched the whole range of face serums. So they have total 5 different variants of serums and I have got 3 of them with me today, and I'm going to show you guys how you can use those serums in a proper way. Well, I'm sure you have heard about this brand, but if you haven't, Zayn and Maiza is a halal certified cosmetic and personal care brand. Their products are completely animal cruelty free. It's 100% vegetarian and has no chemical nasties, and also their products are dermatologically tested. I'm going to talk about the ingredients, the benefits, when to use it, how to use it. So let's start with this one first, and this is ZM Hyaluronic Acid 1.5% face serum with 24K gold. Okay, so the price of this serum is $3.99 and you will get 30 ml of product. First of all, the packaging is very informative. Like you will get the details, the ingredient list here and how to use it here and what it will do to your face, like kya kya benefits aapko milega, and also when to use it. It's written here like in detail, so you can also check the packaging for details, but I'm gonna save you some time. And it comes in a dark glass dropper packaging and it has water-like consistency, like it's water actually. It is so lightweight on skin, it gets absorbed within a second, I guess. Like you will apply it and you won't even feel कि आपने कुछ apply किया हुआ है आपकी skin पे. It's that lightweight. Hyaluronic acid एक ऐसा ingredient है जो आपकी skin का जो moisture है ना उसे lock करने में help करता है, and it will hydrate your skin deeply. And also इसमें 24K gold है which will help to give you that bright and even skin, and also it helps to improve the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. So if you're looking for a plump and glowing skin, I think this serum is just perfect. You can use this serum daytime and also night time on a regular basis, as it is super hydrating and also it gives you that glow. So it can be used before makeup, because I use this serum before makeup as well. It will hydrate your skin without making it tacky or sticky, and this serum is suitable for all skin type. Next up, I have ZM Youthism Retinol Face Serum with rosehip extracts. The price of this serum is $3.99 and you will get 30 ml of product. The consistency of this serum is a bit on a thicker side. It gets absorbed very quickly. Retinol is specially known for its anti-aging properties. So this serum is again for all skin types, and if you are in your early 20s, you can use this serum to prevent the appearance of early signs of aging. This particular serum is advised to use at night only. This serum helps to boost cell turnover to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It can also neutralize the effects of free radicals. It is also infused with the botanical blend of rosehip, which will help to restore radiance on dull skin. So now let's talk about this one, and this is ZM Fruit AHA 10% face serum with ceramides. The price of this serum is 349 rupees and you will get again 30 ml of product. People with oily combination, normal and dry skin types can use this serum to improve the appearance of dull and dry and dehydrated skin. So it has AHA, and that is alpha hydroxy acid. It will help to exfoliate your skin very gently. You have to use this serum once or twice in a week. It's not a leave-on exfoliating serum. You have to apply a thin layer of it and leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with normal cold water. It peels away the outer layer of your skin to reveal the new younger looking glowing skin. You can also try their tea tree and salicylic acid face serum if you have oily acne prone skin, and also you can try their Bye Bye Blemishes 10% niacinamide and zinc serum if you have acne marks or blemishes. You can choose any serum according to your skin type and concern, because everyone's skin is different, so you should do a patch test before trying out every skincare, like new skincare products especially. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something in this video, and also I'm gonna be linking these products in the description box below for you to check out. You can buy Zayn and Maiza serums from their website, and if you want to save some extra penny, you can use my code, that is Shamili10. And also their products are available on Nykaa, Myntra and Flipkart. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye, take care, and I love you all, guys.